today. Again, we're on an adventure. This time we are going on to chase waterfalls in southern Cebu. And we started here in Aguinid Falls. But the problem is that, as you can see, I'm wearing a helmet. I don't think I did enough research. I thought it was just a short hike to a waterfall, but it turns out it's almost like a canyoning trip. And the whole trip should take around 2 hours. We don't really have that much time, so we're just going to go on the two first levels, which is level 0 and 1, I believe. Yeah, we are already seeing water. The price for the 2 levels is just 50 peso per person, but for the whole trip it's 300 all the way up to the highest level. But yeah, we don't have much time. We are going to check 2 of the waterfalls, and so we're just gonna do a quick peek on this. I'm really regretful because this looks like a really fun adventure. There's climbing here. It's quite cold water. Thing is, to get there, it's a 1.5 hour ride from Malbol, so it's quite far. It's not something I could totally recommend for everyone, because the roads here are, I don't want to say that they're very safe. So if you're going on motorbike now, only if you're experienced. But if you take maybe a van, that could actually work. You could do a journey tour. This actually looks very nice. It's actually the canyoning that you usually take near Kawasan. There's more even in that area. There's quite a lot there due to the geography. So there's a lot more to try out, including this one here. Level 1 right here. I think that's as far as we go. Looks very nice though. There? It's actually quite refreshing, right? Cold. Yeah, it's cold. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, this was good. It's actually good to wash your face because we got really dirty from the ride, from all the dust and everything from trucks, buses on the road. Yeah. Oh, delicious. So in contrast with canyoning near Kawasan, in Kanlaon, you go with the river. But here you're going against it, up. So it's not exactly canyoning, in some way more like a hike along the river, I would say. So there's 8 levels, and this is the first level, including level 0. I hope next time when we get there we can do the 8 levels. This looks very nice. Oh wow, look at that. This up here is level 2, as we said. Wow, look at that. Wow, that was actually a very nice river there. I feel like it's much better preserved than, say, near Kawasan when it comes to the vegetation, because Typhoon Odette might not have really passed over here, so a lot of the vegetation is still intact. It was very nice, and now we are kind of left the area, the entrance area, because we have kind of a traumatic experience from Boho that people are going to charge.
Just to fly down.
Yeah, So we're trying to do it here now. I mean, I don't think it's really illegal. How are they going to stop us, huh? Next destination is gonna be Dao Falls. Just we had a little bit of a problem finding here. The sign pointing here is kind of small, so we kind of went into a circle in this coconut plantation or a coconut farmland, but eventually found it. And as you can see here, also slightly adventurous, but this is just a 20-minute walk. It's not going to take 2 to 3 hours like the in Aguinid. I forgot the name. In the other one. So yeah, this one is going to be quite much shorter, but it's going to be very nice because it has a really tall waterfall in the end. And you're walking through this very stunning nature here with all these palm trees, mostly coconut palms. Also, what I really like is that the price is only 200, even though it's going to be quite a walk. And they even have a breakdown of what the ticket goes to. And you even got an official receipt as well, which is very nice. This is actually a very, very nice hike through dense, thick vegetation. I mean, just look at this. It's so nice. Lots of palms, occasionally some bamboo, and then a lot of other plant species I cannot really name, fortunately. But yeah, I like this hike. It's very beautiful, and it's not scorching hot either. I'm actually not really sweating that much, so that's a unique, that's a very peculiar scenario where I don't sweat. That is the one I looked at the pictures. Huge waterfall. Even better than I imagined. I never knew there was multiple levels here. You see? Level 1, level 2, level 3. Wow. Amazing. Oh, this is here. Bear, how is it like?
It's so nice here. It's actually one of the most beautiful falls that I've ever been in.
Yeah, very true. Water also. Gatorade.
Yeah, I mean, you don't need filter at all.
Yeah, it's
So
very
nice.
nice. Good pinya. So we're done, and maybe I should talk a little bit now that my voice is clear. Super fun, super nice. Such a beautiful environment there. Really blue water. The hike is fun. It's not really far either. Also quite cheap. And the end point, I mean the final destination, is definitely worth the trip, right?
Yeah.
So fresh, so beautiful, everything. Well, that's Dao Falls, and we're next going to do the final stop in Inambakan Falls. It's actually very close, so but we should hurry because it's already 2. All right. Oh, so nice here. On our way to Inambakan Falls. Also a hike, but I think this one is not going to be very long. It says 30 minutes, but we will see. It looks like it's very close, so we will still see a river at least. Wow, already you can see the gateway water from the mountains here. If I've not already mentioned it, the reason why there's so much waterfalls in this area is because of the huge ridge here in Cebu. It's basically supplying all the rivers and such with mountain waters, and I think that from the clay and everything, that's how it turns blue. It's very beautiful here. It's not just Kawasan, of course, there's more. And as you can see, it's very beautiful. Yeah, we have a waterfall right here, an awesome one. And I think, to be honest, I think this is all we really need to see for now. So we have enough time to get back. Wow, look at that. So this is 35 meters tall, and it's only us here now. And our guide. So according to Kuya, this one here is the tallest one in this area. They're more further up, but they're smaller, and this is also the most beautiful one. So yeah, probably should just stick to this one because so we can get home earlier. We also want to go to Osmeña Peak, so I'll have enough time for that. This one is very nice though. I was quite, every time I see waterfalls here, they're just so surprising to see, to be honest. So yeah, it's a very nice waterfall, as I said, or a very nice river. I just love these rivers around there. Really love these rivers around here. They're just Gatorade blue and so refreshing to swim in as well. And the scenery, I mean, the plants and everything is so beautiful, especially this one here with this 3 levels. Sorry, I was just tired walking uphill. Now it's a little bit past 3, so we want to hurry to Osmeña Peak, right over there. So, and I really hope that the view is going to be very nice. Doesn't look like it's so cloudy now, it's actually a little bit clear, so weather is a bit better than it was the last time we went here in southern Cebu. Let's go. did not get to go to Osmania Peak. As a matter of fact, it's a completely different day now. It was too late. It would be dark when we would be done there, and it was honestly not worth it. But we're gonna do that another day. As a matter of fact, we're about to go there right now. So yeah, we quite enjoyed the waterfalls here in Cebu. It is quite a magical experience. They're very nice. It's probably one of the places in the world with the most magnificent, most beautiful waterfalls. But there's still quite a bit more. In fact, there's this Inambakan Falls, which I accidentally skipped. I thought it was just small because I think I saw wrong picture, but it's very nice there. So definitely next time. And again, check out Aguinid Falls as well. It's going to be a nice adventure to go up there. If you have time, definitely check that out. And there's also tours going to Dao Falls and Inambakan and Aguinid here from Waterfalls. They will transport you there. So you should check that out as well if you have time. So if you liked the video, give it a like and also hit the subscribe button as well if you're new. Also follow me on Instagram. And until then, see you on Osmania Peak. Bye bye.